Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBIO. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid day. I don't think anybody can refute that from where it closed yesterday to where it closed today. This was a nice move. But that brings up the question, well, is there any sort of true power behind this? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it revolves around a single level, and that level is right down here at the $1.45 mark. Why is $1.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of closes below $1.45, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, truly strong moves don't go back. They progress forward. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Then you'd have a set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They make progress in that upwards direction. So to me, $1.45, very important level of support going into next week. Now for the fun stuff, what about potential areas of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these areas that the bull is going to have to fight through? First area of resistance, right there at the $1.75 mark. This makes actually pretty good sense when you look back here through the history of the chart. Acted as support, and a foundational rule is when levels of support are broken, which it was right here, they tend to act as resistance, which it essentially acted as resistance there. I realized the price got above it, but couldn't maintain above it, and then acted as resistance directly there. So $1.75, definitely that initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key battleground up there at that point, which sits at about $1.87. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.